Random updates po natin sa SB19, mga post ng fans at of course ng mga bano. Dito po ay binahagi ng fans ang Asia's brown bird and the birdies. So, nandito po si Stel, may QR code po dyan. Kaya naman para sa mga fans, eto na po ang pagkakataon na si Stel po ay inyong masuportahan, especially the berries. Mula naman sa Facebook post ng NSG streaming team, this is so alarming. As much as we want to hype the streaming, we can't do this alone. Kailangan nating magtulungan. We're always manifesting international stages, awards, media attention, and such for SB19, but we can't do the bare minimum. March lang na release ang WAS pero nawawala na agad tayo sa focus. Ano bang dapat gawin? Go to Spotify and search SB19. Play the top 10 popular songs or stream the Wakas at Simula album from top to bottom. Makakatulong yan for album charting. If walang time, park your account sa station head. Medyo matrabaho to pero stream on editorial playlist. Do the sandwich method. Lastly, but isa sa pinakamahalaga, share their music on different streaming platforms. Mula naman sa post ng SB19 sa kanilang Facebook, the story continues to grow this week, even in the spaces between what was and what's next. Through the moments, we revisit the memories we hold close and the music that continues to grow with us. There's still more waiting to be uncovered. Discover what's waiting for you as the story continues this week. At mula po sa comment section, si Pia Portajada, sinabi niyang physical archive, are we getting an exhibit again? Was Bard's Lament. Ang hirap niyang i-explain but this is definitely something heart-watching o heart-wrenching. Yung mga familiar na sa teatro would have an idea what this is. Anyway, dahil sa post na ito ng SB19, inaasahan ba natin na may bago silang ipe-perform sa Lollapalooza? May mga pasabog ba? Well, yan po yung ating aantayin na hindi man tayo personal na makapanood doon, pero syempre aantayin na lang po natin ang mga updates ng mga fans na nakaredy na ang ticket para sa darating na July upang suportahan ang SB19 sa Lollapalooza performance. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.